Vinod, I have a problem. My children are not eating fruits in spite of my repeated requests. How can I find a solution for it?
Is it? Don't worry, Sandra. We will find a solution for it. By the way, why they are not eating fruits?
Vinod, they like fruits but they don't like to eat it because of its sourly taste. Do you have a solution for it?
Nothing to worry, Sandra. We are introducing a comprehensive healthy food for children, containing multiple fruits. I am sure they will like it.
What is it, Vinod? I'm excited to know about it. Can you please share me its recipe?
Of course. It is made for people like you who are finding issues in serving healthy food to children.
Are you serious? Is it good for improving the immunization of my children?
Definitely. Kheer-TOK contains multiple fruits and dry fruits like almonds, cashew nut, pistachio and raisins, which are very good for immunization of our body.
Vinod, my children are more into non-vegetarian food and that is why I am worrying about their immunization at this unstable situation.
Exactly. To protect our children from the present condition and to have stable health, they require a lot of antioxidants, minerals and vitamins.
Vinod, what are the essential components required to improve the immunization?
As per my knowledge, potassium, antioxidants and other essential nutrients are required for enhancing immunization and to fight against any diseases. And the food I am sharing today contains all these minerals.
I am eager to know about it, Vinod. Can you share me the ingredients?